In this video, you will learn the steps on how to make a sports story. First, find a relevant sports event to cover. For example, girls soccer. Then you get the interviews before the event you will cover to get the players' thoughts before the game.
So how are you preparing for the first game?
I'm preparing for the first game by warming up with my team. And
How do you feel with the upcoming season?
I'm excited. I'm super excited to play.
So is this where you have the questions, sir?
Obviously,
Yeah.
you can tell I laughed.
It's okay.
Interesting.
Yeah. How are we preparing for the first game?
I'm giving myself time to calm down, get my mind in the right place by taking deep breaths and meditating. I think we can make it pretty fun.
All right, thank you.
So how do you guys feel after you guys got interviewed?
Shaky. Yeah, good, a little anxiety high, but you gotta be truthful.
After you get the interviews before the game, you show up to the event and record it. After you record the game, you get the players' interviews to get their thoughts after the event.
I definitely worked hard. It was a little rough in the beginning because my stomach kind of hurt, but it's okay. I definitely played to my best ability and
played pretty well. I think it got a little confusing throughout the end a little bit, throughout the positions with everyone.
After you get the interviews after the event, you go back to class, edit it, and publish the video.